This is a substantial 4-bedroom detached home, having been well looked after by the current owners, situated in the village of Creech St Michael, with just a 4-minute walk to the local primary school and within walking distance to local amenities, benefiting for parking for up to 5 cars and electrical car charging point, with a walled south-facing garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Could I be the one you love? Could I be the one? Could I be the one you love? Could I be the one? Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Ooh.
If you're interested in viewing this property or a valuation of your own home, please do get in touch.